Hi, in this video we will see how to reset the settings in Visual Studio Code. At first we need to open Visual Studio Code and then we have to open the command palette. We can easily open command palette from view and then command palette this option, or we can press the shortcut 3 keys combination altogether. For Mac it is Shift, Command and P keys altogether, and for Windows it should be Control, Shift and P keys altogether. Okay, so I'm pressing Command Shift P as I'm using Mac computer, and then the command palette window will be open over there. Here we have to type settings, then JSON, and here we'll see number of options. So we have to choose this one, preferences colon open settings JSON. We have to open this one. So I'm going to hit this option, and once we hit this option we'll find there are couple of things over there. So what we have to do, we have to delete everything except this curly braces. So I'm going to select this part and I'm deleting that, and after deleting this thing just press the close button and it will be closed. Okay, so in this way you can easily reset the settings in Visual Studio Code. If this video is helpful for you, please consider subscribing our channel. Thank you for watching.